So today, guys, I'm gonna try to get a honk or a wave. So let's start it by dancing. Guys, that's my first one. Ah! It's freaking like, it's just like, okay guys, sorry about that, my phone just dropped. Let's go. I got so lucky. The phone almost got wrecked, man. My phone is seriously, it just dropped, and then it dropped. And so guess what? It freaking dropped. I went stop. It dropped and it fell. And then the car went right past it, and it almost. I found a car. Get up. Guys, I just need to get back up here. It's gonna be blank for a second, okay? 10 hours later. Okay, I'm back, guys. Ready? Boy, you suck. You suck. I'll see you there. What the? That's my freaking house. Oh! I'm looking at my address, boy! I'm gonna edit out that part. Stop, drop, hey, hang on. Hey, stop, slide, drop, hey, hang on. Freaking just open your mouth like So, by the way, guys, I'm gonna be making a video when my friend Kenny gets here. We're gonna be making a video. We're gonna be playing and stuff, making a basketball video. Once he gets his haircut, then he'll be kind of sitting. So, see you in a little bit. That's the end of the video. So, peace. Let's go.